Touchshield is the latest protective innovation taking industry by storm. A unique range of anti-microbial, self-adhesive protective films for surfaces designed to slow the spread of bacteria and viruses. Touchshield is supporting businesses all over the world to save money, protect staff, and increase consumer confidence. Touchshield is designed, developed and manufactured by us here in the UK at our Banbury manufacturing hub in the Midlands. From our signature watermark through to the ultra-clean, residue-free adhesive, every element of Touchshield has been meticulously designed with your business in mind. With over 35 years experience innovating self-adhesive solutions, you can trust our team to deliver assured quality at every stage of the manufacturing process. Get started with 24/7 antiviral protection for your business environment today by heading over to touchshield-tm.com and requesting your free sample.